Hi, I'm Karthik from Marketing Sales. Welcome back to my Market channel. In this video, I'm going to show you an advanced concept like how to migrate data from one CRM to another CRM. Basically, HubSpot, Pipedrive kind of CRM, Salesforce are like much sophisticated and much more advanced than GoHighLevel. But many customers love the aspect of marketing automation and funnels with GoHighLevel. And lured by these features, they want to also to save cost. They want to migrate from their existing CRM to GoHighLevel. But you have to be clear with the clients, like you have to set the expectation also right. GoHighLevel is not that sophisticated as HubSpot or Pipedrive or Salesforce, because GoHighLevel has plans like $297 and its highest plan is costing around like $497 only. But when it comes to HubSpot, it will come easily come around few thousands of dollars, because each package is each feature is a separate product for them, like Service Hub, Sales Hub, Marketing Hub, and in total, if at all you want to buy all the products, it will easily come around like $3,000 to $4,000. So all the features can't be mimicked when they move the data from high level HubSpot to GoHighLevel. And I will show you how I migrated a client data from HubSpot to GoHighLevel. And also there is a critical drawback with the GoHighLevel, like when you send mails outside of the platform, like in HubSpot they have add-on and they can send the mail directly from their Gmail to the client, to the prospect or the customer. And it will reflect in the activity of that particular within in the HubSpot CRM. But in GoHighLevel, only when you send the mail in the within the GoHighLevel, then only it will appear in the activity or like in the conversation tab. That is one of the critical drawback. And GoHighLevel has recently addressed some features, like added some features like opportunities, custom fields, lifetime value. Those are like good additional things, but it's not that much comparable, sophisticated comparable to the advanced CRMs like HubSpot. Let's get into the data first. I will show you like what are the I migrated it. Like, first we have to create forms in GoHighLevel. I have already posted many videos on GoHighLevel, all the features of GoHighLevel. You can check that videos. Like in HubSpot, there is a way called you can go to marketing and lead capture and go to forms. You can see what are all the forms here, and what are all the fields of that particular form, and then you can just mimic that form in the GoHighLevel. We created for this client, so that they would have the similar form and they can embed in their WordPress website or like funnel, wherever they like to have. And for this client we have like 2-3 forms, and all those forms are generated in the GoHighLevel. And then comes the pipeline deals are like much more advanced features. It's much more sophisticated when compared to GoHighLevel. In GoHighLevel we can create pipelines with the same kind of stages similar to HubSpot deals, but we have like some different stages in the pipeline, and we can create multiple pipelines and just add a we have to have a contact to add it to the pipeline. But in HubSpot, these are like different objects. Deals are a different object, contacts are a different object. So you can create a deal without associating a contact with the deal. So those are like much sophisticated, but when we have to convert those data, what I did was, like, we created a contact for that. We pulled out all the contacts and all the deal information. You can just select You can just select, and you can select all the records and click export. Once you export the, now I am in the different kind of permission. Once you create the deal, you can export all the deals here, and you can also export all the contact information. And you can see the deal name would be the main item here, not necessarily the a contact name. You don't have to have a contact to be associated with the deal. So we have to convert that in such a way, like we created the contact first, and then we create an opportunity in the GoHighLevel, and then we create the opportunity in the name similar to the deal name available in the HubSpot, and then we add a lead value to that. See, I have imitated the same deal name. I have imitated the same deal name and the pipeline and the stage where it is opportunity value. I have added, and business name and all you have to do. I will show you like how to add the business name here, and then I added a tag like what is the program name, and what is the deal size, and what is the close date. Close date is an important parameter in the HubSpot. Like whenever you have a contact, and then let's go to the, or like you can have it in the deal name itself. When you click on a particular deal, you will see the close date here and the value here, and those values can be used here, and so that at least the client can understand like when they click on a particular contact in the GoHighLevel, they can see what kind of program they customers have bought, or like what is the deal value and what is the close date here, because we don't have those kinds of fields in the high level where to match the HubSpot or deals. And then you can also make use of like opportunity specific custom fields, which are recently introduced by in GoHighLevel. And also what additional thing we have done in the notes, which can be easily pulled out from the opportunities tab. Deal name and the amount, close date, deal type is like an important another important field in the HubSpot, like whether it's an existing business or a new business, you can add as a opportunity specific custom field, and you can have that field in the opportunity also. That also you can do. And then just wait, and once that is done, what we have done is like go to contacts, export all the contacts, because contacts are the basic item from the GoHighLevel perspective. Just select all the contacts and export. Once you have exported all the contacts here, you will have all the information like first name, last name, email, associated, phone number, personal details, and there is the problem we faced is like there is no way you can directly pull out the company name is not readily available when you export all the contacts. You have to do some kind of Vlookup, and like I use Python to map the data between this sheet, and where you can also export all the company's information like organization and associated contact associated records by exporting all the company information. And you have to combine these two sheets, and then you can import the contacts sheet with the right kind of data, like for GoHighLevel, either the email or like the phone number is mandatory to be uploaded as a valid contact, and you should have the first name, last name, and you can have the once you map the business data or like the company name with the contacts, then you can then when you can import it directly within the GoHighLevel. And once you do the bulk import, you can see like in the company name, business name, those company information is updated. And you can also make use of this newly introduced lifetime value, which is one of the critical requirements for most of the customers. Like in HubSpot, like a same person can have multiple deals, or like same organization can have multiple deals, and they want to have the lifetime, always want to calculate the lifetime value. Though we can't like automate it, but you can feed the lifetime value here. And we have updated the data. We have imported the extracted the data contacts from the HubSpot, imported after adding the company data to the sheet. And then the rest of the things are like the client wants to know the source of the customer, like through which form the customer came in. For that, you have to again go to marketing, lead capture, forms, and you can when you click on a particular form, you can download the form submission data, like through the contacts which came in through this particular form. And you can export all this data, and once you export it, you can add that as a tag to the so that the client can easily understand like from which form the customer came in. And that is the only way we can show the form submission data from HubSpot to GoHighLevel. And you can always create a HubSpot meeting kind of calendar. GoHighLevel calendar is pretty advanced as compared to any other CRM, and you can always sync with the Google Calendar and Outlook, and that would be enough from the calendar or the scheduling or the appointment thing, and that would be enough. GoHighLevel can do most of the steps which other CRMs can also do. And you can also set up automations based on your requirement, like for the new lead, or like for the calendar appointment, everything you can do. This add deal, amount, close date, deals, deal type or notes are I have already shown in the notes section. I have added. These are all the deals which we have the notes, and you can see the notes are here so that they can look at it in the opportunity, similar to the customer they used to view in the HubSpot CRM within the deal section. So this is like the most of the features we meet with the GoHighLevel. Though it's not that much advanced to HubSpot, we meet most of the features. And also if we have when the client approached us, they had a long list of questionnaire. The critical thing, as I said before, like when they send mails outside of like outside of the CRM, whether that can be reflected within the GoHighLevel, that is not possible. But in other CRMs like HubSpot and Migrate, that is very much possible. And they have listed long list of questions, and which we shown them, like some are possible and some are not possible. Be frank with them so that they can understand the limitation and plus and like also the advantages of using GoHighLevel. I hope this video helps you, and let me know in case if you have any queries in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer that. If you want to do similar migration to GoHighLevel, please book a call through the link given in the description. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Bye.